Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discussing with you, SafeSync GPS tracker review. So you might be wondering, what is SafeSync here? So SafeSync is marketed as a small magnetic tracking device for vehicles, luggages, keys, or other belongings. Now it's built to work with Apple's Find My network and a similar Android Find My device network, rather than independent cellular GPS. Now, meaning it sends out a Bluetooth signal that gets picked up by nearby Apple or Android devices in that network, which then relay the tracker's approximate location back to the owner's account. Now, despite this being marketed as GPS tracking, this Bluetooth or crowdsourced network approach is kind of like a different technology from the true GPS or cellular tracker, the kind that reports live location continuously anywhere via satellite and a cellular connection. So SafeSync's accuracy and update frequency depends on how many other networks devices happen to be nearby the tracker at a given time. Now, it's compact, magnetic, with a key ring loop as an alternative attachment, IP67 water resistance, and runs on a long lifespan or built-in battery listed variously at 6 months to 2 years depending on the version. Now, how to exactly use this? Now, according to them, you just need to attach a tracker to the item or vehicle being tracked using the built-in magnetic keyring loop, or the keyring loop here. Now, pair it with an iPhone or iPad through the Apple Find My app or the Android Find My device app, depending on the version, by holding it near the phone, following the on-screen prompts to name and add the device. Now, once paired, its last known location, movement alerts, and on some versions, geofencing alerts appear within the Find My app itself. Now, that's according to them. Now, on the pricing side here, it's commonly listed at around $19 to $39.99, but if you do try checking it on one of their website, it's being sold at around $39.90 in the buy one get one free range per unit, depending on the site and current promotion. Now, generally framed as one-time purchase with no subscription fee, sold across several similarly named websites or brand here, though, and also return windows are commonly listed at 90 days. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.